Hello, everyone. We have come to the end of our study about India. So, excuse me. Um, we're going to end by exploring a little bit more about all the fun parts of Indian arts and culture. So, I want to give you an introduction. Then, your assignment is to look at two or three of the links that I put in today's folder and just explore. We'll try to learn something new about these parts of Indian culture. I think you'll be surprised. So, you're going to explore the links and then I'll show you the discussion. I put a discussion here for you where it's at the bottom, and I'd like you to please tell us, let me get this, tell us something you learned or something that surprised you about what you learned. So you can, I just want you to share something that you learned about the different parts of Indian culture. Okay, now here comes the introduction. So there's so many different choices, and I didn't even put them all, but wanted to introduce for you the main idea. So one thing you could learn about is Bollywood movies. And remember that Bollywood is a place in India, Bombay, but now it's called Mumbai. And they produce thousands of movies a year. So that's like 3 movies a day. So if you want to learn more about famous Bollywood movies, you can click the link about that. There are two links. One I put about men's traditional clothes. If you're curious what men wear to weddings or wear to fancy events in India, you can learn about men's traditional clothes. Also, women wear a clothing called the sari, which is yards and yards of fabric wrapped around. So if you're wondering how in the world you put that on, you can learn about how women wear a sari. Maybe you've seen people get henna, or maybe you've had henna yourself. There's a link about henna and why and how people get henna done. There's a link about cricket. Cricket is a famous sport in India, and it's kind of similar to baseball, has some similarities. It's very famous in India, Pakistan, and also the United Kingdom. Did you know that the world's oldest martial art started in India? I learned that. It's hard to say. Let me try to say it. Kalaripayattu. And it's really interesting. So if you want to learn about that, you can. And then I put two links about Indian dance. There are so many different types of Indian dance. The dancing style in the north of India is different than the south. I just put two that I thought were really beautiful, but you can certainly search up more Indian dance videos on YouTube. So that what I'm asking you to do is to think about which two or three parts of Indian art and culture you're interested in. And then I'll show you on the link for today. We have all sorts of different links. So the videos are between like 3 and 5 minutes. I'm asking you to do two. And then to show that you did it, I'm asking you to fill out, tell me something you learned or something that surprised you about what you learned. I can't wait to see what you will learn as you explore all these really fascinating parts of Indian culture.